How to edit PDF in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in Canva. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to sign into our Canva account. Once signed in, go to the Create a Design section in the upper right-hand corner and click on it. Now, when you click on Create a Design, what you're going to do next is to click on Import File. There, once you import the file, choose the PDF that you would want to edit in Canva. So say for example, this specific file that I have right here. After which, we'll just have to wait for the file to be successfully uploaded in Canva. Once the file is uploaded in Canva, click on it. Now, when you click on it, we will basically be routed onto our editing section. So right here, you can actually click and edit the portions that you would want to edit in the PDF. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!